Take a moment to check out the 2020 Nissan Rogue. With less than 50,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. This feature-rich Rogue adds confidence and convenience to everyday life. Standard driver assist safety tech, large cargo capacity, and spacious seating have your back wherever the road may lead. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, power liftgate, dual zone AC, power driver seat, blind spot monitor, electronic stability control, heated front seat, aluminum wheels, intermittent wipers, tire pressure monitoring system. Get the comfort you want and the efficiency you need in this handsome Rogue. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.